everybody.
Good morning.
How you all doing? Give yourself a big round of applause. So my name is Paul Abrams, director of the Mr. and Miss Jamaica High School program. Our theme this year is self-branding. So self-branding.
Self-branding.
I'm not hearing you.
Self-branding.
And it is a Mr. and Miss, so we need to hear the males expressing themselves. I'd like you to override the ladies. Let me hear again. Still not hearing the bass. Not hearing the bass. Okay. All right. So right now I'm going to turn over to the 2018 Miss Jamaica High School Queen, Brittany Atkinson. Give her a big round of applause from the Osemaki.
Hi, good morning, guys. So we're going to do a quick devotion because we know we can't start anything without God blessings, right? So please stand. And today I want you guys to really sing, you know? I don't want a little low bass. I want a high bass singing this morning. So I'm going to go start off with 3 songs and I'll make it your suggestion. So who's the first? First song for the day. Come on. It's raining, all right? Ready? 1, 2.
It's raining. Come on, bass.
All around me,
Not hearing you. Let's go.
I can feel it. It's a lot of rain.
Right on.
Jesus, peace and more rain.
And these are the students
Till we are
to
wet,
begin devotion
till
in
we
the
are
Miss
soaking a lot of
School
rain. It's
Miss
raining all around.
Miss Ordin, Mr. Holy Trinity, Mr.
It's
Papi,
a lot of rain.
Mr. Osemati, Mr. Holy Trinity. Stevens.
Until we are soaking hot.
Next song.
Guys, expression, come on, Seth Brandon.
What's the next song?
It's rain all around.
I can feel it.
2018 Queen
It's a light of.
Brittany Atkinson.
We're gonna do one?
And
Right on.